To ensure proper function, weekly visual inspection of the Syclone amalgam separator canister is recommended. The inspection should include checking the level of the solids in the canister. When the sediment level reaches the fill line at the top of the label, or it has been 12 months since the canister was installed, it's time to replace the canister. A new Syclone canister can be ordered from your preferred dealer. Unpack the container and inspect the various components as listed in the replacement canister installation guide. Be sure to remove the caps and plugs from the bag and set them aside for later use. Once all items have been unpacked from the replacement canister kit, ensure that proper PPE is worn before handling the full canister. Gloves and safety glasses or a face shield is recommended. It is important to leave the vacuum running during this procedure. Note the reading on the vacuum gauge. Slip the Ziploc-style bag provided under the used canister. Carefully remove the retaining pins and pull down to release the full canister from the top chamber of the amalgam separator. Keep the container tilted away from yourself. Install the new canister with the vacuum system still running. The canister can only be installed one way. Rocking the canister slightly, gently insert the fittings into the receiver holes of the top chamber. Continue to push the canister into the top chamber until it is fully seated. Reinsert the retaining pins and write the installation date directly on the canister label. And make a note of the maximum change date of 12 months out. Depending on the volume of activity, the unit may become full and require a changeout before the 12-month time frame. Once connected, the water will start flowing through the new canister. Note the vacuum gauge reading again. The reading should be the same as before the canister change. If there is a major change in the reading, troubleshooting of the system may be required. Please contact your preferred service technician or Crosstex customer support. The full canister should be packed and shipped as soon as possible after the replacement is installed. Securely pack the full canister. Push the corresponding plugs into the two top fittings of the used canister and seal with the provided caps. You will need the serial number of the used canister to generate your prepaid shipping label. Squeeze out the excess air before fully sealing the Ziploc bag. The full canister should be securely placed in the box that the new canister came in. Visit crosstex.com/Syclone for further instructions on how to generate your shipping label and mail the full canister to be recycled. For additional information, please visit crosstex.com/Syclone.